So unless chat algorithms have gone a lot further than I realized, it seems there are a couple of you out there that are actually watching these videos. So my name is Pat Melcher. I'm the owner and craftsman for Nature's Edge Woodwork. We're working on a custom table here for a wonderful client who took a chance on me, and we're at the stage where we're just getting ready to finish and clean up a couple of mistakes. So what I've done is I've smashed away, removed all the epoxy where it was had some blemishes, and I went back and reviewed some notes from previous discussions and realized that one of the aspects we wanted to incorporate and never did were some metal or brass inlays. So when I removed a little bit of the epoxy, we did have a few artifacts. What I've done is gone back in there, fully cleaned, and I've got some metallic pigments, and just highlighted a couple grain features to add one more feature and make this table truly one-of-a-kind piece. So I'll pick it up and show you what happened. Natural knots and grain. Just went back in and highlighted them. A little bit of artist pigment. Also created a nice clean edge where the good epoxy remains. And what we're going to do is we're going to reseal it and pour a fresh coat, ready to go. No one will ever know we had a little bit of struggle if it wasn't documented for the rest of the world on YouTube. So I'll be back in a bit. Thank you.